Hello, masters. Very good evening, everyone. Are you able to see me, everyone? Am I okay? So then, masters, very happy and ecstatic to share that many of our masters are here in Mount Shasta with me. And we connected with Mount Shasta's energies, the Lemurian world, Telos world, or any masters who wanted to guide us. Because here we are connected with the love energies, also peaceful energies, and the harmony energies. That is what we felt here, bliss energies as well. And apart from that, we meditated at a lot of places. We connected with Mother Earth. We went to Mount Shasta Park. Many parks are here. So, and headwaters, spring waters, many places. And today we went to Crystal Lake, and there we connected with water energies. So I want to connect you all with the mountains energy, Mount Shasta's, Mount Shastina's energies. And that is why I have told everyone to come here so that we can all get the benefit of this wonderful energies, so that we can actually um, connect our root chakra. We can start with this base energy, and we can build up our future, our life, our relationships, our community with loving energies, rather than just cribbing about, complaining, or becoming anxious or fighting, being argumentative. So letting that energy go from our system, our mind and body and soul. Soul does not carry those energies, but sometimes because of generation to generation or incarnation to incarnation, we carry on these energies. Okay, masters? So this is what, and here you can see Mount Shasta's picture on the wallpaper behind me. I'm still traveling. I'm in the car, as you can see. But let us all welcome these energies. So when you say about Mount Shasta's root chakra energies, it means that we are going to connect ourselves with the Mother Earth's or Mount Shasta's um,
ले तारू बंद
motherly
कर
energies, womb energies, and also her compassion, loving kindness, the base that she gives us. Because any building that we build, it should be on a
डाले
very
वाफुल
solid foundation, right? So when we talk about this, we talk about the solid foundation for our life, for our community, for this world, and connecting each and
કાલે
everyone with
ચતુ
the
પપ્પા
love,
પૂછે છે કાલે
compassion, kindness.
કાલે હું જણાવીશ તમે 12 વાગે આવો ને તો મને ત્યારે કોલ કરજો.
Masters, please mute yourself.
ઓકે કેમ કે હું ડોક્ટર પાસે આવશે કે એટલે પતે છે કેમ
One
ખબર
second,
પડે કેટલા વાગે પતે છે
everyone,
એટલે.
because I think, yeah. So this is how we are going to do meditation today. We are going to connect with Mother Earth and also Mount Shastina's energies. So you can also say Ma Shastina. And here, let me show you the picture if you want to, because here this is, I need to, one second. नहीं हो- हाँ, इसको correct. Yeah, no. Yeah, thank you. So here, this is Mount Shasta Masters. So Masters, this is Mount Shasta. So as you see it, look at the base of Mount Shasta. Okay, and also the elevation, the height that you can see, the peak that you can see, it actually brings in the cosmic power, cosmic energy from the universe, from the sky, and it brings it down. It, propels that energy towards us. So today, as we are going to meditate, we are going to also, connect with Mount Shasta's energies. Before that, let us take our positions, drink some water, and as you all know, close your eyes, clasping your hands and fingers, keeping your feet together, crossing them, If you want to sit on sofa, chair, or bed, whichever is comfortable for you, you can do that. And so as you inhale and exhale today, let us invite and invoke Mount Shastina's energy. So each one of you, in your own mind, with your own words, put this intention that I, so and so, your name, take your name, I, Madhusoni, I invite and invoke Ma Shastina's energies, and I ask Ma Shastina to help me ground my energies so that I build a solid foundation for everything or for whatever I work for. Whatever I do it with perfection, with much clarity, with peace, harmony, and love. Let this creativity come inside me. Let this foundation build more foundations for my future, for my present, for my upcoming future, so that I can build a solid foundation, solid life, and also help each and everyone who all come along my path. So as I inhale and as I exhale, I am connecting myself with myself first. As you inhale, masters, bring in that energy. Just feel it, that you are all breathing in Mount Shasta's air around you, inside you, as if you're sucking in all that powerful energy, that vibrant, grounding, powerful, rusty, brown energies of grounding. It's going to stabilize you. Mother Earth, Mother Shastina is helping all of us, to connect with her as if she is calling us in her womb, the mother's energy, holding us all in her womb with great splendor and power and magnificence that she holds. So as you connect, as you inhale, breathe in into your nostrils this powerful energy. Let us all welcome this powerful energy and love, the unconditional love that Ma Shastina holds for each one of us. So as you can play a slight music, Rani ji. So my dear masters, each one of you can take your name, you can inhale with these words, I, Madhusoni. You take in your name, I am breathing in this powerful divine energies of Ma Shastina. This powerful energy comes inside me through each and every breath that I take. I breathe in love, peace.
Hi, I'm Nicole Hockley from Sandy Hook Promise.
I
know
breathe in
this is
compassion,
here.
kindness, harmony. I breathe in stability, foundation, power. I breathe in grounding energies. As I breathe in, I connect my body, the top part of my body, which involves my brain, my head, involves my facial expressions, my eyes, my ears. As I breathe in, I connect my throat chakra. As I breathe in, again and again, inhaling and exhaling, I am very steady and stable as I breathe in, as this energy is channeling into me. I invite and invoke all the divine masters of the highest divine light who are ready to help us, guide us, who are ready to show us the divine path of truth, love, happiness, and oneness. So as I breathe in, masters, I breathe in into my throat, my gut, my voice, as if you are breathing in Mount Shasta's wonderful life force energy, as if each and every herb, every stone, every gem, crystal, or all the minerals that are there found on Mount Shasta, beneath Mount Shasta, as I breathe in, my astral body and my all the other bodies, they are ready to tread on Mount Shasta, ready to connect with Mount Shasta or Ma Shastina. As I inhale fully through my lungs, my heart, and I expand my heart chakra to let this wonderful, beautiful, loving energy come into me. I breathe in and breathe out. These energies that I breathe in are very powerful, vibrant, and helping us now, helping each and every part of our body get this balancing energies. As if these energies are balancing each and every part of my body, my chakras. I inhale into my spine and in all my chakras. I bring this welcoming energy into my solar plexus, my stomach region, my sacral region, and my root chakra area. Today, when I breathe in, I ground my energies into Ma Shastina and Mother Earth at the same time. Ma Shastina, whose abode is above Shambhala. We are totally connected from one part of the world to the other part, the other end. From India, Shambhala, to Mount Shasta, which is the root chakra of our planet Earth. I connect with this energy and I let my spine ground my energies into Mother Earth and Ma Shastina. I breathe in and breathe out. As I breathe in, I'm receiving this miraculous stabilized energy into me. And as I breathe out, I let go of any feelings of lack, any feelings of confusion, any feelings of fear, anxiety, out through my body, out through my breath. Because now I am becoming one with my Mother Earth, Ma Shastina's energies, Mother Earth, root chakra, Mount Shasta. I connect with the water, the air, the earth, the metal, and the sky energy, the space, the ether energy. As I inhale and exhale, I'm grounding my energies. I connect all the chakras. And now I also ground any energies which I feel are not balanced within me, be it your emotional energy or anything where it involves any trauma, pain, hurt. I give it to to Mother Earth to help them transmute with her wonderful, powerful, miraculous healing energy. So, my dear masters, as you inhale and exhale, feel a deep sense of opening on your crown chakra, as if a beautiful white lotus with 1,000 petals are open on your crown. You start receiving the universal cosmic power, energy, and the highest divine white light coming into you in the form of pillar of light, in the form of a pillar coming into you. This light that this world needs is also being channeled by the cosmic power, cosmic and the Galactic Federation masters, and also masters from the other worlds who are much higher in this world. They connect with the loving, healing energies so that we can connect ourselves. As we invite these energies into us, the powerful cosmic white light energies, I'm also releasing whatever is not required or whatever is not for my highest good. I give it to earth. I surrender and I trust and have faith in Ma Shastina that whatever is not meant for me will always be taken away so that I may not be harmed. I may not be bothered, so that I can be peaceful, abundant, and prosperous, so that I can build a solid foundation in my life, so that I can build good relations, so that I can build great projects, so that I can be creative. I can harmonize and be one with everything. This white light energies goes into all my body parts, into each and every cell, every organ. As I channel and as I bring this powerful energy within me, as I connect with Mother Earth and Ma Shastina, I am also given these energies to manifest so that I can bring this lasting, wonderful, stable, powerful energies into me. Feel the energies, Master, as you breathe in and breathe out. As I breathe in and breathe out, I am totally surrendering to Mother Earth and Mount Shastina. Every breath that I take, I am experiencing intimate, powerful healing, stabilized energies coming into me. And as I breathe out, I let go and surrender. I release any energy that does not belong to me, anything that slows the process for my upliftment, or any creativity energies that are still blocked on me or in me. I release those energies. I ask for release. I ask this help from the master, from the guide of Mount Shastina to help me unblock any creative energy. And also, if there is any blockage in my heart chakra, my third eye chakra, my crown chakra, my solar plexus chakra, sacral chakra, root chakra. So every chakra, from top to bottom, from my head to toe, I ask to release any blockages, anything that are limiting belief. Because Mount Shastina today is giving us this wisdom that we are here because we needed to connect with the solid foundations in our life. Wherever we were meek, we couldn't speak our truth. Mount Shastina and Mother Earth is helping us by strengthening our energies, by building our courage up. My dear Master, this beautiful energy is removing any blockages, is opening up the potentialities that you have, the abilities that you carry, which you have still not used. You're asked to think about it when you come out of meditation and give yourself a try so that you can unblock, you can surrender, and you are free like a bird to try those abilities that are yours. Nothing in this world can stop you. Only you can stop yourself. If you let others to stop you, you are not doing yourself a favor. You are just hurting yourself. You're putting yourself in a prison. So today, as we connect with Mount Shastina or Mount Shasta or Mount Shastina is telling us Be free like a bird. Do what you want to do. Be authentic. Be true to yourself. Where does your mind, heart take you? What are your passions? What do you like to do the most? Answer these questions and you will find your answers. You will know what to do in your life. What is your purpose? Why you are here? What more you have to build? Or what more you have to create? Or where you need to go? These are all burning questions in your life. As you answer one by one all these questions, you will come to know why you are here, why we all are here together as a group, meditating, because we are all meant to connect with Mother Earth root chakra so that we can build great foundations, great projects. We can build beautiful relations. We can build beautiful families together. Love is the key, masters. Without love, nothing blooms. Wherever there is love, there is care, things grow, things bloom, people become happy. So as you breathe in and breathe out, feel the energy seeping in with every breath through your skin, through your nostril, through your crown, through your third eye, into your throat, going down into your heart chakra, going into your gut, your solar plexus chakra, your sacral energies, and your root chakra energies, helping you build solid foundations, stabilizing you, grounding you, and your energies, masters. Till now, we all have done so much work, but it's all going to waste because we have never even thought about ourselves, how much effort, how much work we are putting into our lives, into our work, into our projects, relationships. Ma Shastina tells us to limit that work, bring it down to 4 hours. But in those 4 hours, do those things that speak about you, that you are passionate about, that calls to you, that feels loving, compassionate, and kind. Don't go to those places where people hurt you, people misguide you, mistreat you, or manipulate. Go where your heart calls. Go where you feel loved. Your love is reciprocated. Build a future where love energies will be called for, will be there with each and every one. Don't let the technology fool you. The more you go into technology, the more you will come to know that love does not exist. Being technologically sound is wonderful, is definitely excellent. But still, when we leave love, nothing grows. the creation always stays with love. Wherever there is love, there is creation, there is happiness, there is energy. And when you let this energy go, world's disintegration happens. Projects disintegrate, people disintegrate, families disintegrate. How about we concentrate on the loving, peaceful kindness, compassionate energy of Mother Earth and what she provides us in the form of Mount Shastina, which is just above Shambhala. And that is why we have great energy. Imagine yourself grounding your energy to the root, as if your roots are growing and growing and growing and going deep down into Mother Earth. And you connect more and more. Go deeper and deeper into your own self. Breathe in and breathe out, masters. Mother Earth and Ma Shastina are sending this love energy and telling all of us that we are all worthy of love. Let no one tell you that you are unworthy. Let no one tell you that you are not beautiful. You are beautiful, you are handsome, you are everything. Whatever you want, you receive. Whatever you think, you become. These energies that you are receiving today in the form of meditation, through your thinking, your intention, and connecting with the masters and Mother Earth and Ma Shastina. We are divine, blessed souls going on to create a powerful future for all of us, where we are going to connect each and every one, whoever we meet, with grace, love, and happiness. Let this love be the guide that propels us forward to build relations, work, career, project, anything that you want in your life. But let love be the first thing that helps you, guide you, and shows you the path. If you want a solid future, a solid upcoming generation great work and opportunities with healing, health, and great wealth, because the creation power is always with love. It starts with love and ends with. So, how about we ask Mother Earth, Ma Shastina, to help us always connect with these energies. So, Masters, today I am asking each and every one to give gratitude to these powerful, wonderful, miraculous, grounding energies. Let us give thanks and gratitude to Ma Shastina and the Lemurian world, the Telos world, and all those masters from these worlds, the ascended masters, astral masters, or the masters who are going to impart us with wisdom in the upcoming future from this onward, this day onward. I give gratitude to the cosmic power energies, the Galactic Federation, to the masters from Shambhala, and also Ma Shastina, Mount Shasta, the wonderful energies from the plant kingdom, animal kingdom, insect, aquatic animals, the rocks, the gems, the minerals, Mother Earth, and the metal energies, the space energies, the ether, the air that we breathe. Thanking each and every one, thanking Mother Earth and Masha. My dear Master, slowly and steadily let us all come back into our consciousness. Let us all feel our body, mind, and soul one by one. Start feeling your feet, your toes, your knees, calf muscles, thighs, and coming up into your spine. Bring your attention as if with each inhalation you're straightening up your spine, your neck, your head. And as you breathe out love, peace, happiness. And now let us unclasp our hands and fingers, masters. And very slowly, very steadily, try to open your eyes. Try to keep your hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. Thank you so much, Master. Thank you. You can all come back now. And if anyone they are still sitting in meditation, they can if they want to. They feel a lot of energy because we are still in the vicinity of Mount Shasta. Thank you so much. If anyone has any questions, they can ask. You can stop the music, Rani ji. Thank you so much, everyone. Anyone has any questions? Anything that you want to ask? Masters, please do ask or share. I can't see myself. Are you able to see, Masters? Okay. Okay. How much the charge is? 34%. Okay. Because I'm still doing with my phone.
Mataji, how do you like it there?
It's beautiful. I want to show you the Mount Shasta's picture. Give me a second, 1 second. Yes, masters. So this is where I want to show you all. Let me show you. You can't see Mount Shasta from here because I have to go upstairs in my room, and from there I can show you. But okay. Virtual platforms. Yeah, can you see the picture? Basically, my friends are here. Also, yeah. Here, this side is Mount Shasta. Right now it's covered with clouds, and but this is where we are staying. And I am grounding my energies because I feel a lot of energies when I was meditating with you guys. So, 1 second. Let me, yeah, virtual account again. Yeah. Can you see me now, everyone?
Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
Yeah. And a little louder, please, everyone. It's not.
This looks so scenic, Madhuji. The
Thank you.
place
Thank you
itself.
so much. It's really soothing. And I have a lot of pictures where I will actually make a link out of it. I'll share with each and with the group. So
Even the drive, I think, along the Mount Shasta is
Pardon?
like very beautiful. The drive along
Saying,
Mount Shasta,
Shilamji?
the drive along Mount Shasta is very beautiful. The
Yeah.
drive along the Mount Shasta
Yes,
is
it was
very,
very
very
beautiful.
beautiful.
Yeah,
Just takes you out of the world, the way the roads are and the
definitely.
scenic beauty. Yeah.
Yeah. How was your experience during meditation, masters? Would like to know
It
that.
was really beautiful today. There was a lot of energy for the first time I felt.
Wow. Even me also, when I was meditating now, I'm still like, as I close my eyes, I'm connecting with the energies then and there. Just close your eyes and see, feel the difference. Well, how about you, Rani ji? Anyone else? Or
So
Neha ji?
I was not meditating the first 10, 15 minutes. But after that, I just didn't want to stop, but I have to stop. Maybe I'll go back to the recording video and I'll do it again. Will you be?
You are muted. I can't hear. Hello?
Oh, okay. So, no, I said I was not there for the initial 10, 15 minutes. But after that, it was so good. I just didn't want to come back.
Yeah.
But maybe I'll listen to the video,
Yeah.
the recording,
Once again.
and try to do it.
Yeah. Yes, definitely. And
Will you
anybody
be
else would like? Yeah.
doing it tomorrow as well, Madhuji, or no?
Tomorrow I'll be in flight. So from 5
Okay.
p.m. I will be there. I will reach 12 p.m. like 12 a.m. to at
How about the
Chicago
morning
airport.
session, which you do, the Hindi one?
Yeah, Hindi
Will
I
you be
will be
doing
there.
it?
Yeah. Yeah, I
What
will
time
be
will you
doing
be
it.
doing it, Madhuji?
Saturday it is the 9 a.m. 9 a.m.
No,
for Chicago
tomorrow is
people.
Friday. Friday.
Tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, so
Yeah.
morning I will do it. I will do it morning time. But if suppose I am going out, the Swadhyay is going on. Okay, the
Okay.
Gita Swadhyay. So after Gita Swadhyay, whoever is there, they will do I think Abhimanyu ji's meditation will be there. So it's okay. Today you guys did meditation.
Yeah.
I will be coming,
Yeah.
so I'll be giving. But yeah, so tomorrow maybe I won't be there because we'll be checking out from the hotel room, the
No,
Airbnb
that's fine.
basically.
That's fine. Just wanted to
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, if possible, I would try, but if not, then don't count. But I'm just saying, we don't know, right, what tomorrow
No,
brings. But
that's
yeah,
fine.
everything will be
That's
good.
fine.
Yeah, yeah.
That's
And
fine. At least we got it done today. So thank you.
so, anyhow, masters, do let me know your experiences. Would love to know. Anybody else would like to share their experience apart from Rani ji, Sheelam ji, Jamini ji, Geeta ji, Uma ji, or anyone?
Namaste, Madhuji.
Namaste, Jamini ji.
So the good thing is that I didn't know about Mount Shasta, but few months back I checked Instagram and Pari Patri. She mentioned about Mount Shasta. There is some retreat. So then I got curious to know about Mount Shasta, And at that time, like I think 2 months ago or so, so I researched, meaning I didn't know about Mount Shasta. So I researched some things about Mount Shasta and looked at some videos and stuff. And I was like, anyway, I love mountains and water and stuff. So I was so amazed to know the history of Mount Shasta and the energies.
Correct.
And so it's in my head to go there someday. And then today, when I saw your post about you are in Mount Shasta, I'm like, I need to connect to that energy at least from here until I
Correct.
go there physically. So this
Mm-hmm.
is like a partial dream come true.
Yes, someday you might come here and definitely enjoy the weather, the beauty, and the splendor, the magnificence of Mount Shasta. It's really beautiful, and even the water has healing benefits. I have a story, beautiful story, which I would like to share. Maybe not today, but ask me day like after Saturday. I will be having maybe a day off, but Sunday I will be taking the class, or maybe Monday. I think, yeah,
Mm,
because now as summer is here, you all know, Chicago people or eastern side people, we know that, right? Saturday, Sunday, we are literally very busy, but still, if possible, we'll definitely connect and we'll do it on Monday. For India
mm.
people, it will be Tuesday. So let us connect on Monday then, because today
Also,
is Thursday, right?
yeah, here in US is Thursday. Yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow, maybe
Also,
Sanjay ji would be doing meditation. He will be taking the class, but Monday I will take the class. So
okay.
that will.
Also, would you be giving some information for people like us who may want to go there? Because I haven't gone there. So just to get some idea where to stay, what is the best location to stay near mountain, things like that.
See, yeah, definitely. Let me, do this on Monday, please.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I mean,
So
I'm just saying that
mm,
those kind of information share. So at
yeah.
least I'll
See, I
definitely
need
follow.
time. After returning, I'll be bogged down with lot of other
Take
things.
your time.
Uh,
No,
yeah,
yeah,
no, no,
take.
no. But if you want to be there to ask me the question, then I'll answer there and there. Otherwise, if nobody is there, I won't be able to answer, because rather than speaking about all those things, if someone is asking me, then and there I will. And right now, my phone's battery is dying down, so not
Okay.
much I can say. But yeah,
But
definitely.
thank you so much.
How was your experience when you were meditating today?
I felt really good. Before this session, I was meditating, so I was really in that zone. But
Mm-hmm.
while the meditation was going on, I
Mm-hmm.
really felt connected to the mountains and the earth energy and the water energy. I mean, I really feel good.
Yes, wonderful. That's great. And today, this is what I also felt. The water actually is so healing,
Hmm.
so healthy, and it actually helps you heal your any ailments, anything that you have carry with yourself. Anyhow, we'll definitely talk more about it. But thank you so much. And
Thank
still
Mataji,
you.
now I feel the energies, they are still high up. Like my head is circling around and my eyes are still closed while talking to you guys.
Madhuji, on
Yeah,
Saturday is
Sriram.
full moon.
Saturday is full moon. Okay,
Saturday,
then we'll
yeah,
try
just
and do.
reminding
Yeah,
you.
we'll try and do. Yeah, thank you so much. We'll do. Then I think Saturday we can do, and then Sunday I can keep off. Right? That's what I can do. Let's see. Let's see.
Mm,
Okay. Not
okay.
promising anything, but yeah. How about we'll just connect and we'll just sit. We can do
Yeah.
that meditation, without I speaking anything, but we can always connect with each other. And I'll
Yeah.
play
As
the
long
music.
as
I'll
your
be also
presence
there.
is there, it
Yeah,
is
I
fine.
am there. I will be there. If I'm doing the session, I'll be there.
We
Okay.
get your vibrations also. That's why.
Yes, I know. Anyhow, masters, thank you. Anybody else would like to share? Rupal ji, Smithal ji,
Thank you
Geeta
so
ji.
much, Madhuji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Wonderful masters, thank you. Anybody else? Raise your hand. Okay. Anyhow, uh, thank you so much then, masters. Let us now end the session. If there are no hands raised, we can definitely take it sometime later in the upcoming week. Okay, thank you for being here and connecting with the energies. Definitely,
Thank you.
once we start seeing the pictures and connecting with the pictures, you will come to know what I was talking about. And right now, I'm not able to say much. Still, I said so much, but my eyes are closing. That's what is happening to me. Still, I'm in that zone.
Thank
So,
you.
thank you so much.